So there is a amazing offer going on Bluehost, so you can try this. Okay, and here you can see that let me show you. Let me first make this as a desktop side, and you can see here that uh, it is recommended for you to choose a choice plus. Now why choice plus? Because you can save up to save 55% with 36-month plan. Normally it's $21.99, but you will get it on with $5.45 per month. And what you will get with this, if I talk about features, okay, so these are some features which you will get, like 40 GB SSD storage, free CDN, 3 website. You will get free domain for first year, professional email, you will get free tile, free SSL, you will get all these things if you choose this one. So what you need to do, you need to come at a website of Bluehost, and after coming at a website of Bluehost, you need to choose a plan. You need to choose which plan will be best for you, okay, so that you can get what you will get, so that you can get the amazing deal. So yes, and one more thing which I want to show you, that it has that what they are written, we have been recommended by WordPress since 2005. Means WordPress only recommends Bluehost. Okay, so you can think that this is one of the best hosting you can get. So try Bluehost and comment below that which is your favorite hosting service.